Hello, my dear little ones. Welcome back to our English class. We have completed our story, Who's Our Neighbor? Who were the main characters of the story? Two children. Do you remember their name? Yes, Sam and Lizzie. And who their neighbors? Who are their neighbors? Yes, they found out that Uncle Tom and Aunt Betty were their new neighbors. And they had offered them a paradise, children's paradise. They offered them many toys and games. All the children could go their home at any time without any restrictions, right? Yes. Did you like the story? Yes, all of you like the story. Okay, today we are going to study a poem. Do you like poems? Actually, it's not a poem, it's a song. So let's enjoy the song, okay? You can take your textbook page number 112, 112. You can see some girls and boys are playing here. Let's sing this song aloud, okay? The title of our song is Girls and Boys Come Out to Play. You can hear the different versions of the song on YouTube, okay? Keep your finger near the line while I sing the poem, okay? Girls and boys come out to play. The moon does shine as bright as day. Leave your supper and leave your sleep and join your playfellows in the street. Come with a doll and come with a ball. Come with a goodwill or not, or come not at all. Up the ladder and down the wall. Join your playfellows in the street. Do you like the song? Yes, all of you like this. My dear children, you have to sing this song aloud, okay? Here in the song, we can see the children are calling out their friends for coming out to play. Where in the street by joining their hands together. They are telling that it is night time and the moon shines as bright as a day. Okay, and the children are telling that we can leave our supper and leave our sleep. We can make this night into a play mood. Okay, and we can meet in the street with all our playfellows. And they have a condition. What was it? You have to come with a doll or come with a ball. You have to come with any of the play toy to the street, and you have to bring goodwill along with you. Not otherwise, do not come at all. Okay, you have to come to the street with a goodwill. Otherwise, don't come at all. Okay. Again, they continues up the ladder and down the wall. We can join our playfellows in the street. We can meet our playfellows everywhere in the street. Okay, you have to, there's only one condition to come for the play. What was that? You have to come with a goodwill, good mind for playing, or do not come at all. Okay, my dear children, do you like the poem? Yes, all of you like the poem. Okay, now let's find out some rhyming words from this poem. My dear children, I have marked play day, then doll, ball, and all. These are the some rhyming words of the song. Okay, my dear children. Next, we can take page number 116 in our textbook. We have one activity remaining. Activity 4. You have seen many toys and playthings in children's paradise. Look at the picture and say where they are. We have already studied prepositions. What do you mean by prepositions? Yes, they are the words that tell us where the things or objects, animals or persons or places are. They tell us the position of these things, right? So here one example is given here. The teddy bear is on the chair. Which is a preposition here? Yes, on is the preposition. Next one, we have a toy car here. Where is the toy car? Yes, the toy car is under the tree. Then third picture, we can see a ball here. Where is that ball? Yes, the ball is in front of the door. Yes. Then next we have a cycle, bicycle. Can you see where it is? Yes, it's behind. The bicycle is behind the house, or we can see it is near the gate. Okay. In two ways we can tell. Then look at the next picture. Can you see a bat there inside the box? Yes. So the cricket bat is in the box. Then next one. What can you see here? A skipping rope. Where is that skipping rope? Yes, the skipping rope is on the ground. So my dear children, write where the things are, where the toys are. Okay, complete the activity using some preposition words. Here we have the answers. The toy car is under the tree. The ball is in front of the door. Next one, the bicycle is near the gate, or we can say the bicycle is behind the house. Then the cricket bat is in the box. Then the last one, the skipping rope is on the ground. Okay. Next, let's discuss some notes of this lesson. With this, our lesson ends here. Okay. Fill in the blanks with suitable words. Uncle and aunt gave whom? Sam and Lizzie 2 glasses of fruit juice. Okay. Then singular and plural. Girl, by adding s we can make it plural. Girls. Boy plus s, boys. Swing plus s, swings. There's a slight change in the word glass. We have to add es with the word glass to make it plural. Glass becomes glasses. Okay. Then write a rhyming word each. Day, play. All, ball. Treat, greet. Keep, sheep. Fill, will. Toys, boys. Let me ask you one thing. What do you mean by a rhyming word? Yes, rhyming words are the words that end in the same sound. Right? Yes. Next one, you have to rearrange the given letters to get meaningful words. You can see the way words play, shine, ladder, girls, and moon written in a shuffled order. So, my dear children, you have to arrange the letters to get meaningful words. If they are given from the textbook, you have to do the same. Okay. So, my dear children, copy down these notes into your notebook and study well. You have to read the song many times. Okay. So, thank you all.